Gusty winds out of the west have been picking up overnight, and they have been going over 35 miles an hour. We've been ringing out some areas of light snow and snow showers up north. Between now and about 8 a.m., we may have a passing shower even in central and southern New Hampshire, but slowly sliding temperatures today as some colder air starts to return out of Canada for the time being. Next system in the Intermountain West doesn't get here until sometime on Saturday. Temperatures today anywhere from the 30s to lower range of the 40s. These are through about early to mid-morning, and then we're going to expect those numbers to start sliding back as we go through the day. Temperatures will eventually fall into the 30s just about statewide and some 20s up north, and this is with winds gusting over 30 to 35 miles an hour through the day. That wind will lighten later on this evening, and it eventually sets up lows in the teens up in the north country to the lower 20s in southern New Hampshire. Last of the clouds up north as well. Good deal of sunshine around for the day tomorrow. It will be with a lighter wind, so with that sun, should feel pretty good with temperatures up into the 30s in the afternoon. Just not as warm as what we had out there during the daylight hours yesterday. Any initial burst of light snow early Saturday morning will likely give way to rainfall as we go into the afternoon, maybe hanging on to a mix a little bit longer up through the White Mountains and the Great North Woods. And after a little bit of a break in temperatures into the 40s Sunday, another quick passing front could mean some mixed showers Sunday night and into Monday. So a very up and down forecast going forward. Temperatures skewing backward today with gusts over 30 to 35 miles an hour. Teens to lower 20s for most, with some single digits in the North Country. Clearing skies, lighter wind for the day tomorrow, and temperatures in the 30s in the afternoon. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, which has another jump in temperature behind Saturday's system, which could have a small accumulation before a changeover, and then another front Sunday night and early Monday.